Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at pound dollar, GBP USD on the 4-hour chart. So we'll go ahead and map out the current range that we're in and that we're dealing with. These were the lows that ended up breaking the high. It's a current overall range from these lows. It ranged, like I said yesterday, broke out of this range. But I'm going to just to show that overall range, I'm going to restructure the current range because I normally take the low that broke the last, that made the last change of character and broke the last high. Since it has already broken out, this is a bullish range. No, bullish push up to higher prices. As you can see, I did take a sell due to the fact that the channel has broken down, or likely to break down. Let's go ahead and that's what I put on the chart yesterday. Taking the sell, expecting the lows to be taken out. Expecting the lows to be taken out under here. Now this is counter trend trading, which can, in my opinion, trade back down to discount because this has to sweep, get some more liquidity from either a demand zone or something like that in order to push prices forward. I'm not going to stay in this trade too long because, like I said, it's counter trend trading. It is reacting from this trend line. In case I never we can show that trend line from the weekly perspective. This is a weekly trend line. There it was. Liquidity sitting all under these lows. We don't know if it's going to take out all of these lows. That has at least traced back to here. Now it's reacting from that area once again. So still overall bullish. Waiting for a retracement in order to, and then wait for a bullish momentum to kick back in and then trade to higher prices. But like I said, right now it looks like it's going to break down out of this channel. Sending price action only means it's going to take out the liquidity. The high probability to take out the liquidity may react from this demand or come back down here. I'm not going to just be cautious and look out for any type of exit. But the Euro USD has reacted faster. This is the one that I believe leads the pack. Leads the pack of the US dollar pairs. Let's go ahead and map out the range. And like I was saying yesterday, this has not broken past the high from the overall structure. This is from the pullback. This is from that first tariff news. So I'll map out the current range that broke out the structure because, as you can see, it did break out past the highs. It's a higher low from this low, higher low, higher low. Did cause the break of structure, but I'll keep the range closer to the low. And as you can see, current price action is similar to GBP USD. Started to trend sideways and ascending price action. Then it reacted from being outside of the channel last night or earlier today. And so I took a sell under, expecting this liquidity to be taken out. Like I said, I'm not sure. This is counter trend trading because I am overall bullish because of the price action previous, but can trade back down to discount. Expecting a bullish momentum shift to push prices higher. So, like I said, I don't know how long I'm going to stay in the trade, but I am expecting to take out this liquidity. It may not stay in much longer, but I would see how price action plays out. Any news today could affect it. Any of these dollar pairs, AUD USD, and this is still in a current what I described as a bear flag, but it continues to push down. A bull flag, expecting it to pull back up and take out the liquidity above the channel, but it hasn't done that yet. So this is bearish price action. This is the range that we're currently in. Looks like this is the US dollar pair that is more bearish than the other ones, but like I said, I believe Euro USD is leading the pack on that. So we can see that it's still trending down. Waiting to see if there's any reaction from any type of demand area. Looks like it's still impulsive. This was looking corrective. This looks impulsive bear move. But waiting to see if there's any type of reaction from any type of demand area in order to continue pushing prices higher. NZD USD, similar price action. So go ahead and map out the entire range. And as you can see, obviously making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, broke out past the highs. As looked corrective, but now it's continuing to push down. Looks like the sellers are in control right now. We're still expecting overall bullish momentum to shift from a demand area and then continue pushing higher, prices higher. GBP AUD. So we were looking that overall this had retraced back to 50%. Seller stepped back in and then started trending sideways, and now it has broken back out past the high, the lower high. Well, potential lower high from the seller start step back in, but now we push past that supply area. So let's map out the current range. This was the range from yesterday, but now since it has broken out past these highs, expect the price to continue pushing higher to break out to target these highs and push forward. So I am restructuring the range that we're currently in. Take the range of where the change of character happened. Any type of pullback into discount, I will be taking a buy. But like I was saying, with these cross pairs, when the buyer stepped back in this time and really didn't give any type of pullback that I was expecting, I need to see a much larger retracement for me to get involved. And it looks like it's going to do the same thing. I mean, there aren't any red candles, aren't any bearish momentum pushing the price back down, just trending sideways, then pushing up, pushing higher prices. What I want to see is something back into discount, and then look for bullish momentum shift. Even if you change the range to this, I'm still waiting for any type of pullback into discount. So I'm overall bullish for it, but I'm not seeing any setup. So similar to GBP NZD. Overall, this was the overall structure. This was the 50% pullback. Seller stepped back in, started trending sideways, but this was making higher highs, higher lows. Well, not higher highs, but higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And it has broken out past both of the pairs have done that now. This was the range from yesterday, with this being the high. But now that it is broken out, still low that broke the high. So right now, bullish for these cross pairs, but not seeing any opportunity right now. Like I was saying, I need to see some type of retracement. These just tend to just keep impulsing up. Not showing any type of pullback, any type of opportunity. Like I was saying, probably need to go to a lower time frame, but I would still need to see a much deeper retracement for me to get involved. So still waiting for that. Like I said, still bullish on it. Still waiting for the bullish opportunity and the bullish momentum shift after a pullback in order to take any buys up to higher prices, targeting the highs from the overall range. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.